Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Imagine Crafts. So, today we're going to make a Christmas gift tag that could also be used as a Christmas ornament. I'm using Gina Designs, a Sparkle and Shine, this beautiful Christmas tree. I have some Judikins heat-resistant acetate. And we're going to use Versamark, which is a clear sticky ink, although mine's not exactly clear anymore. Hint, make sure your stamps are clean before you use your Versamark, or your Versamark won't be so clean anymore. Either way, here I used my anti-static powder tool, and now I'm inking that up and pressing down to make that sticky ink go over to my acetate. And then I'm going to pull in a piece of red paper, and you can see just how pretty that is. And I'm going to use my emerald green embossing powder. And I have my coffee filter. And we're going to just easily pour the embossing powder over the tree. Filter that and powder back into my little container, and then I'm going to bring in my gold, and I'm going to sprinkle the gold on top of the star at the top of the Christmas tree, put that away, and put away my coffee filter. I do put my powder in these little containers from Dollar Tree because it's easier than trying to funnel it back into the little bag. So here I go with my heat tool, and I'm letting it warm up for a second, and then off camera, and here I come back to the camera, I am going to melt that embossing powder. I love the way this looks when it's done. It's something about watching the embossing powder melt. It's so neat. And making sure I get every single bit done. And now I'm going to put my panel back in my MISTI. And I have the sentiment that I want to use, and it is coming from the Blizzard stamp set, also from Gina. Oh no, the sentiment is also from the same Sparkle and Shine stamp set. Sorry. But I'm stamping that straight onto a piece of white cardstock. This is Accent Opaque, 120 pound. And again, using my Versamark. And somehow I missed the footage, but I did heat emboss that using the gold. Now I am taping it together with Scotch tape, taping my acetate panel to the white panel, and I have a tag die from Gina Designs that I am going to use to cut this, putting some tape on there so that it doesn't shift, and I'm going to run that through my Gemini Junior die cutting machine real quick. So have you started your Christmas tags yet, or your Christmas cards? If you have, leave a comment down below. Let me know. So, brought that through the Gemini, and there we go. Now I'm taking this red, textured paper that I have that's just so pretty, running that through with the same tag die, running that through the Gemini Junior as well. And that's going to be the backer for my tag, so that I'm not having just plain white back there. And then I'm bringing in a panel of white cardstock, another panel, and I am using the smallest tag of the die set to cut out, and then I will put my sentiment on there. The sentiment is from, and that will be coming from the Blizzard stamp set from Gina Designs. I just reached to grab a stamping block, and I'll use my VersaFine Clair in Nocturne, because what else would I use? And there we go. I got my to and from on there. And now we're going to put this together. So I'm going to bring in my tear it tape. And have you ever noticed tear it with an exclamation point tape? Because it's easy to tear with your fingers. So you tear it and then you tape it down. Stupid trivia. Yeah, I'm full of it today. So, here I am. Yeah, using my mouse for work because, yeah, we won't talk about that. I'm on my lunch break and I needed to make sure of what time it was. So now I am putting this back together, peeling off the backer panels from the tear it tape. And I'm going to affix that to the back of my tag, which eventually I'll get all the tape off. I kind of don't have any fingernails right now. They started breaking off. And so it's not as easy to use my tape. Now I am wiping off the anti-static powder that I used for the embossing. And now I'll clean off my desk for a second and bring in, I did find some baker's twine that is red, green, and white stripes, and I use that to put my tag together. Now I'm bringing in some glue and putting in some three strategic spots so that it would dry clear and hold my tag together on the front, since the sentiment is there and I want it to show all times. And then where I put the glue on the inside to hold the acetate to the tag, I will also put on top and put 3 shiny silver sequins. So you can see I'm holding that down there so that it's in the right spot. And then I pick up those 3 sequins, put them where I want them, and there we go. Afterthought is I could have put some on the tree to decorate the tree, but I chose not to. Anyway, please leave a comment down below. Have you started your Christmas shopping yet? Have you started your Christmas cards or tags? And thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye.